Today we're taking a look at one of Phuket's most beautiful beachfront escapes, the Phuket Marriott Resort and Spa, Merlin Beach. If you're looking for a tropical holiday that combines luxury, relaxation, and easy access to Phuket's top attractions, this resort deserves a place on your shortlist. Located on the island's southwest coast, at peaceful Tritong Beach, just outside the bustling town of Patong, the resort offers the perfect balance of privacy and convenience. You're only about 5 kilometers from Patong Beach and Bangla Road, yet tucked away on a secluded stretch of coastline where you can truly unwind. The resort is also around 45 kilometers from the Phuket International Airport, with a drive time of approximately 60 to 75 minutes depending on traffic. The resort features 414 beautifully appointed rooms and suites, each with a private balcony or terrace overlooking a tropical garden, lagoon-style pools, or the sparkling Andaman Sea. Whether you're traveling as a couple, family, or a group of friends, there's a room designed to suit your holiday. One of the biggest attractions is the resort itself. Guests can enjoy 3 stunning swimming pools, a full-service spa, a modern fitness center, a kids club, multiple restaurants and bars, and even a house reef where you can snorkel right from the beach when the sea conditions allow. The resort also offers activities including kayaking, paddleboarding, Muay Thai classes, yoga sessions, and Thai cooking experiences, making it easy to stay active or as relaxed as you like. Thanks to Phuket's tropical climate, daytime temperatures remain warm all year, typically ranging between 30 and 33 degrees Celsius, with sea temperatures staying comfortably warm for swimming in every season. The best time to visit is generally between November through April. When the rainfall is lower, humidity is more comfortable, and the Andaman Sea is usually calmer, making for ideal beach holidays, island hopping, and snorkeling. During the May to October green season, you will find fewer crowds, lush scenery, and attractive hotel rates, although brief tropical showers are more common. When you're ready to explore, some of Phuket's most famous attractions are close by. Visit lively Patong Beach, experience the nightlife of Bangla Road, admire the amazing views from Promtip Cape, explore the colorful streets of Phuket Old Town, or take unforgettable boat trips to the PP Islands, James Bond Island, or Similin Islands. If you're searching for a resort that offers luxury accommodation and a peaceful beachfront sitting, outstanding facilities, and easy access to everything Phuket has to offer, the Phuket Marriott Resort and Spa, Merlin Beach, is an excellent choice. This is obviously a beautiful resort in a beautiful part of Phuket. A really good location in my opinion. This, of course, is a 5-star resort, but here's some of the important numbers. The ratings: 9.0 out of 10 on Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description. If you want to check it out, get more information, check out the prices on your dates. Of course, hotel prices change all the time. A 9.0 out of 10 is really good in my opinion, and that's with 6,859 reviews, so quite a few. Reasonable amount, that's for sure. Now the price. The cheapest room available, booking 2 months ahead, which is still in the low season, or the rainy season if you will, is 4,000 baht per night. That's about $120 US per night. Of course, that's the cheapest room available and before tax. And that does not include breakfast, by the way. But still, for a 5-star resort in Phuket on a beautiful quiet beach, pretty reasonable. But of course, it's the low season. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.